Mesansomo akwaba Emradom TV awia prem to brekasi yeso de yedro no de etwagum ya mede somidin de okatachi eje skafafe ma yenhwe nsem ne bia na watwe etwagu ye wo Adom TV eso na wokwada etwam no amanebo a efie adwura se cheduma se beto odwa kire se prison officers miensa na inmates bi kom hobomu na abrante bi osa akronwe no moto hye no so a omusibirim na nanya yesi ye ewo adwura se cheduma se eno no afi yenhwe de Ghana de hye no bi kan ye de fa sa nsemi eho Mayenhwe de Ghana de hye no bi kan ye de fa sa nsemi eho we eviction or see increase them years in jail again as on do person o chirinya ne say infia mpanyefo ahye o mse o mfo mu entwa ban hukumu no ebe ya kampanyefo sanso fa bi enka ho emma wo mesanso mo kon wado afia so mo pa we so wo chinaba na Kwame o see prison officers want to join inmates na say kianeke o do hu ne say prison officers no mo so ayekrado pa say inmates no mo nyina kwakoda sa edan no emu bi we so say your manager _075 or say but how can a prison officer do this na so no so cry na adwen mu na say ba ne second a prison officer yan when for the wato prisoners na no sanka hwe omo so no onu omo nyina ba akwa mo ye bibia eti say yen fi sansem ne so na afi yen fa ye ni entrance fofo emu na nyamebo echi na ene na wotwe emie no pepepe ya kodjon kan Salowen wonya akwanhia ewo Kumase na wotwe mu no panyefo koche na post for ekoyire ne peche ne anche kura ene omo sanso so e man build your course ho no no Adom Kase.
Saw the condition of my clients. You saw the condition of my client. He's not even too well, but we have to respect the law. In fact, we were bulldozed here. We didn't come on our own. Fortunately, his statement was taken today, and the courts just saw how he is now. So bail was granted. And it was not just an ordinary game. We need to cross other hurdles to get him free. Thank you so much.
Council when you hone say nipa kwekra ne mu na we ni nan maako afi yenhwe Ghana de hye mo adwenkyere a wo kan ye de fa sa nsemi eho yenhwe adwenkyere no ebi we ebi _afia I say I pray that God strengthens him and heals him because it's not easy for him crown so no mpa yenkwa na wobo say wade nyakopon be hye ne den mama na kokoduro ani ahoden soronko se de be ya bibia onam bia no ho betumi ato no we so Dusty Perkins so say even in real life when is still acting man is too talented no so no so kra de o chire nyanse oba no honam famu na say Lewen emfa ho ne sinia we yi no sa so ba no real life a obo no homodin pa woni market pa na the talent ne so de 100% with them papa yen show for so de we nana.k.ochre or see did he suffer a relapse it's like he can barely walk now compared to when he attended the premier na say no so de o kan nyanse wo de to ebras akwanhia see no call premier no ho de na say kodjon cancer as the bibu for crash so asa to ne sanse nante cry in the den so betumi anante yen free sa ensem ye so na afei yen fa ye ne entren kroma circle na be na enam yenu ni na manebo beto odwa nwumre kire se ejahwehwema to ho no mopa na de hye majapade dodo na ehye jorobe.
Yeah, because the reason why we are staying here is just for the me time. You know, we always also to save money and all that things. But someone will be at the back saying this because he is not living here, and he's even living in a better place in a good condition. So because we don't have any place to go, we also come to shelter for here to save money and other things.
So basic cash. Only baby ada. Sisi na onko yin. Nti ye de mpemfo na me decide to mo anim so mbeboa ye.
But who as Gladys last year hashi na na wahase no Abrabon, how did you pick up?
Last year na hashi no sa na hashi na obidi me call ne dem call we me san say me dan hashi me ni baby da o rem yo
na say we won ma wo ho e kan ye no mpanyefo person ko yi wo mo free ho de mo ko baby foforo so mo chire de mo ni baby o betumi akoye hwe de Ghana de hye kan e fa sansem ye ho we e Miss Sally or see June is always giving memories na see aye ho mo bosume ni mo dia nka ye nko a ni ma bibre na e ka o my Ghana na my Ghana e ka we so e Ima say, oh dear, in this economy, Lord have mercy. Na so no so yen pai bonko a so hwem prempre economy pa yi pa mu na e jasa so to dem mu e ha adwen pa. Nti bade hu wo mu nyina e mobo. We so NB_burden so say circle again. And in June, sorry for their loss. Na say circle bi me na yesa so e ye hu mobo bosome mu. Na say mu awura mo pa ye se June bosome no. Nsem bi titi say yeta e si de adru no e video of the day.
Hold it. My name is Nassim.
Ayi ese rade pa radio gospel mu Michael Jackson na se nyina na TGMA na watwe ye call no na panyefo de hye so my Ghana mu nti ho kakra bi na ye pone ye de kire mu medin e de okatachi eje capacity fa ye krado hanum say nsem no dodo na aka kire wo de beto